Welcome back to the class 7. So in the last class we have started with the exercise number 2.2. In the exercise number 2.2 we have completed with the some two examples, and in this video you are going to learn that is the 10th question of exercise number 2.2. So the question says area of rectangle is 83 integer 3 by 4 meter square. If one side of the rectangle is 12 integer 1 by 2 meter, find the other. Okay, dear students, you already learned the topic of, in the last class you have learned the perimeter and area topic. In that you have learned the rectangle. Okay, you have learned the rectangle. This is called L and this is called B. You know that area of rectangle is already, you know, it is length into breadth. So area of rectangle you already learned, that is you have the formula as length into breadth, means they have given the area of the rectangle. They have given area of rectangle. What is area of rectangle they are given in the question? That is 83 integer 3 by 4 meter square. So this is the area of rectangle, and one side of the rectangle means the length side. The length of the rectangle, what is length of rectangle they are given? That is 12 integer 1 by 2. Okay, so this is 12 into, we need to find the breadth of rectangle. Means area of rectangle is length into breadth, and breadth is equals to area divided by length. Okay, so this you need to find. So breadth of the rectangle is equals to breadth of rectangle is equals to, that is 83 integer 3 by 4 divided by 12 integer 1 by 2. So first, this is in the form of mixed fraction. So as it is in the form of mixed fraction, means you have to convert in the form of improper fraction. So first I will convert 83 integer 3 by 4. So you know that 83 into 4, I need to multiply the first step. 4 3s are 12, 1 carry, 8 4, that is 4 8s are 32. 32 plus 1 is 33. Next you have to add plus 3. Plus 3 you need to add, that is 3 plus 2 is 5. 3 335 by 4. So this is 335 by 4. 83 into 4, if you do, you are getting 332. Then you have to add with 3, that is plus of 3, that is 335 by 4. Okay, so this is divided by 12 integer 1 by 2, means this is 335 divided by 4. Again this is division. So again 2 12s are, that is 12 2s are 24. 24 plus 1, this is 25 by 2. Okay, so now you have to take the reciprocal, that is 335 whole divided by 4 into 2 divided by 25. Okay, so this is 2 1s are, 2 2s are, and this is 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, and 3 remains, 5 7s are 35. So what is remaining here? The remaining is 67 divided by 25 is remaining. The improper fraction remaining is 67 divided by 25. Okay, so now what you have to do? You have to convert 67 by 25. This 5 2s are, this is 5 2s are 10 it is. So the improper fraction is remaining, that is 67 by 10 you are getting. So this you convert in the form of mixed fraction. So improper fraction you convert in the form of mixed fraction, that is 10 6 are 60. Remaining is 7, 6 integer 7 by 10, or you can convert this 67 10 of, if you don't know direct, go through the simple division. 10 of 67. Okay, so 10 6 are 60, means minus of 7 minus of 0 is 7, 6 minus 6 is 0, means this is 6 integer, remainder is 7, 7 divided by 10 with your divisor, means quotient into remainder by divisor. Okay, this is in the form of answer. So the breadth of the rectangle is 6 integer 7 by 10. So therefore we can write breadth of rectangle breadth of rectangle is equals to, you have 6 integer 7 by 10. Okay, so first write the given thing. So before understanding the question, you should know the rectangle figure. In that rectangle figure, what is called length and what is called breadth. They are given in the question. Area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is equals to 83 integer 3 by 4 meter square. And length of the rectangle is 12 integer 1 by 2. They are told to find breadth of rectangle. Breadth of rectangle they need to find means 83 integer 3 by 4. You have to divide with 12 integer 1 by 2. This is in the form of mixed fraction. You have to convert in the form of improper fraction. So this I converted into improper fraction means 83 you should multiply with 4. You are getting as 333, and 332 you are getting 332 plus 3 if you do, you are getting 335 by 4 divided by, again this is in the form of mixed fraction, that is 12 integer 1 by 2. You convert in the form of improper fraction means 2 12s are 24, 24 plus 1 is 25 by 2. So then 335 by 4, now take the reciprocal by changing the sign. So this is division converts to multiplication, and you have to take the reciprocal. 25 by 2 will become as 2 by 25. So again this is 4 and 2, 2 ones are, so you should know the 2 table, 2 ones are, 2 twos are, and this 25 and 335 goes in 5 table. You know that 5 ones are, 5 fives are 25. So here see 5 6 are 30, here remaining only, that is 35 is remaining means 6, that is 5 7s are 35. So in the numerator the number is remaining 67 and 1, 67 ones are 67 and 2 5s are 10. So this is in the form of improper fraction. You convert in the form of mixed fraction. 10 6 are 60, remaining is 7, 6 integer 7 by 10. Okay dear students, please note down the exercise number 2.2, that is a 10th question. Okay dear students, now comes to the one more question of exercise number 2.2. In exercise number 2.2, that 11th question says a can contains one integer 1 by 3 liter of juice in a party, that is 20 liter of juice was consumed. Find the number of juice cans used. Okay, so see here dear students, the question says, so this is the can, for example this is the can, that is one can contains, that is one integer 1 by 3 liter, and in a party 20 liter of juice was consumed. So 20 liter of juice is consumed, that this is consumed by, and how many cans are required they are asking. Okay, so how many cans they are required means the question says first write the given thing. So that is one can cost, so one can used, so one can use it is equals to one integer 1 by 3 liter. Total juice consumed, next is given thing, it is total juice consumed. Total juice consumed is how much? It is 20 liter. So one can use is one integer 1 by 3 liter, and total juice consumed is 20 liter. So number of cans used they are asking. What is the number of cans used they are asking means this is 20 liter. So 20 divided by 1 integer 1 by 3. So this thing you have to do. It means 20 integer 20 divided by 1 integer 1 by 3. So first thing they are given. So that is capacity of 1 can. Or you can give here this you can write, or capacity of 1 can you have to write. Capacity of 1 can. Capacity of 1 can is 1 integer 1 by 3 liter. Total juice consumed is 20 liter. Number of cans used is 20 divided by 1 integer 1 by 3. Okay dear students, so this is 20. Okay, so this is take the reciprocal. So afterwards you take the reciprocal. First you convert, this is in the form of mixed fraction, you convert in the form of improper fraction. So this is 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 1 is 4 by 3. Okay dear student, now this you can write 20 into, so this sign division converts into form of multiplication. 20 into 3 by 4. So 4 ones are 4 5s are. So in the numerator remaining is 5 and 3. So it is 5 3s are 15. 15 liter. Okay. So number of cans used is 15 liter. Okay. I hope so you have understood these two examples, that is 11th question as well as the 10th question.